2 months after his felony conviction, Donald Trump still isn't allowed to say everything he wants about his historic hush money criminal case. After a New York appeals court upheld his gag order Thursday, he won't be for a while. The state's mid-level appellate court denied the Republican former president and current nominee's latest bid to lift the restrictions, swatting away a last-minute argument that he's unfairly muzzled while Vice President Kamala Harris, his likely Democratic opponent, pits herself as an ex-prosecutor taking on a convicted felon. At the same time, Trump's lawyers are again asking trial judge Juan M. Merchan to exit the case, saying his daughter's work for Harris's 2020 presidential campaign underscores questions about his ability to be impartial. Merchan rejected 2 prior recusal requests, last year and at the start of the trial in April, saying the defense's concerns were hypothetical and based on innuendos and unsupported speculation. In a letter to Merchan made public Thursday, Trump lawyer Todd Blanche said Harris's entry into the presidential race makes those issues even more concrete and said the judge hasn't addressed them at a level of detail sufficient to repair the lack of public confidence in the integrity of these proceedings. Separately, House Judiciary Committee Chairman Rep. Jim Jordan, Republican Ohio, sent a letter to Lorraine Merchan demanding she turn over any documents pertaining to Harris's campaign, President Joe Biden's abandoned re-election campaign, and any discussions she or her firm may have had about Trump's hush money prosecution. Jordan's request Thursday includes any conversations she may have had with her father about the case. A message-seeking comment was left with Lorraine Merchan. In its gag order ruling Thursday, a 5-judge panel found that Judge Merchan was correct in keeping some restrictions in place until Trump is sentenced, because the case is still pending and his conviction doesn't constitute a change in circumstances that warrants lifting it. The fair administration of justice necessarily includes sentencing, they wrote. The gag order bars Trump from speaking out about the prosecution team, court staffers, or their families, including Merchan's daughter, a Democratic political consultant.